Today's video is brought to you by Oxedo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxedo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxedo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxedo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. So our next little cleaning venture is going to be some of this upholstery here, and it looks jacked up on camera, but what it is, it's like a cleaner or a wax or maybe a leather conditioner or something. And I did just try it in a spot up here, and as you can see, it came clean. A little toothbrush and some water, a little rag. They've also got it deep in the crevices of the seat up on top here. You can just see it. It just looks like goop. So we're gonna get all of that out. So whatever this white substance is that we're removing, as you can see, it's in the stitching. And that's why I am using a toothbrush. Now, normally, when you push down on the brush and you go, everything kind of spreads around. You know, it spreads out off to the sides and whatnot, so you're really not getting what you need cleaned, especially in this situation. So what I've been doing is just kind of pinching it together, and then as I slide it across, it keeps all of the bristles in that channel where I want them. I can maybe do it up front here, but you can see the bristles only go forward and back. They're not spread off to the side. They're not blowing out like that. I'm trying to keep them nice and narrow so I can get that groove. Alright, so now we've got this whole boot area, I guess, is what I would consider that clean. We've got all the gunk out the best we can, and we're going to go ahead at some point here, once we get the rest of the interior clean, we're going to go ahead and do all of the leather with a nice conditioner and keep it soft, a nice cleaner conditioner. I do have, as you can see, some staining across the top of the seat here, and that's actually from the top itself. And you're gonna have that. Maybe it's from right here if it's set back all the way. And that's the problem with a light colored interior. So we just have to be mindful of that. But otherwise, she's looking pretty spicy. I did open the top, by the way, so I could get in there nice. But this folds down. This little section here folds back, and then the top folds into it, and then this comes back down. It's the only aftermarket reproduction vehicle to do so. Reproduction 32 Ford. So, super cool. But yeah, I lifted that up to clean in there. So now this can come back down. And we just have to pop a couple of pins in and we're good. Well, let's move on to the next. We've got a lot of leather, nice door panels, kick panels up underneath the column, dash, and whatnot. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wipe them all down with a cleaner quick, get any dirt and debris off of them, and then we're gonna go ahead and hit them with our Armor All Leather Care, which is a cleaner and conditioner, and basically like putting Armor All on your dash or anything like that. Tires, you know, it's gonna bring it back to life and make them look really nice. You'll notice since we got the stains out of the carpet, I've gotten some little, these are actually for like the back seat of a 4-door car, little floor mats just to kind of help keep things cleaner for now till I can get some custom ones made that will match. But we're looking pretty good. Alright, let's get this cleaning underway. You can see how nice and shiny all that is. We taped off the carpet just to protect it, because when you're polishing aluminum, as you have seen, the rag gets pretty black, and we did not want to get any of that into the carpet. But we went ahead, did the pedals the best we could. We did that throttle linkage. That's super sweet. Now we're gonna move on to this blasted steering wheel. We're gonna clean the heck out of that. All those little fins in the banjo. So let's get started.